Hey guys, I'm here underneath my 2013 Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to talk about something called the fuel vapor leak detection pump. If your Jeep's throwing one of those codes, P0456 or P0455, I think's the other one, this part may help you fix it. So here's the back tire, drive shaft, the part we're looking for. Right up in there. There's the little guy. The first thing we're going to want to do is take off this electrical clip right here. Next we're going to want to take off this hose. Helps use a screwdriver to gently pry it off. Next there's a little tab under there. Don't know if you can see it. Let me show you on the new part I've got here. And then while you're pushing in that tab, you're going to turn it. There's also a little rubber O-ring in here. Take that out. And my new one came with a new rubber O-ring. And installation is the reverse of removal. Turn it until it clicks. We're going to put our hose back on. Put our electrical clip back on. That's all there is to it. Pretty easy swap. I'm so excited we passed emissions! The vapor leak detection pump might not be the part that does it for every Jeep, but it worked for Pinchy.